Alright guys, so we're back. Today we're going to be testing different materials. There's a whole bunch of information online, guys, and everybody has a different opinion about everything, right? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to test 4 different materials so far. You guys seen... Alright guys, welcome back. This is day 2. Today we're going to do some tests on different materials. There's a lot of information out there, so we're going to figure out what works best for us. Everybody got a different opinion on what works for them. So we're looking to get our best result, right? So yesterday's video, I went over and I did the gray shower curtain. It was a shower curtain, by the way. Gray shower curtain from the dollar store, right? So what we're looking at right here is a $4 curtain from Walmart, right? So yeah, it looks good. There's no doubt about it. I'm gonna go ahead and play. We're gonna play. So it actually looks good, real good actually. So the problem with this one to me is it shines too much through the fabric. So I can see it on the back wall behind the garage over there. So yes, it does work. There's no doubt about it. But we're trying to get something that's not going to shine right through the fabric. And that's this one. This is the shower curtain from Walmart. So it's like a satin material. It's a matte finish, but it shines too much through it. Yeah, it looks good, but we don't want it to shine through as much as this one does. So let's go ahead and change this out, and we'll go to the next one. All right, so this is our second piece of fabric. This was actually on Walmart. I don't know if it's a clearance rack, but it was marked $4 for the fabric, and it's a real stretchy type of fabric, which will work real well for us for what we plan on doing. And I'm sure you guys can tell I didn't stretch it out, so it's got, you know, a lot of wrinkles and ruffles in it, or whatever you want to call it. Guys, this one, I really like this fabric right here. I have no idea what it is. It's got a nice clear picture, looks real good. It shines through. It shines through, there's no doubt about it. So I don't know if we can use this for exactly what we're trying to do. You'll see that in a couple days. Probably Thursday, we're gonna have that other video where this is what we're trying to do. You'll see a little bit more of that, but I'll tell you what, it really shows good on this fabric. There's no doubt about it. It's not pixelated or anything. Real nice fabric. Let me go ahead and grab it. So I ripped it, guys, but this is it just says 2 yards assorted fabric. Sorry. And I have no idea, but you guys can see that picture. It looks great. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Real clear. You can make out the image. And here comes our little friend. That looks real good, guys. Real nice. That actually, I really like that image quality. I don't know if we can use this fabric, but I really like the quality of the image and everything. Nice and sharp. Looks real good. And that was, you know, I showed you guys. $4, 2 yards of fabric. All right, let's go on to the next one. All right, guys, so this is the chiffon. Picked this up at Joann's Fabrics. This is kind of like an opaque. It's kind of like an opaque color. I was looking for gray. They didn't have gray. So this is the opaque. Next, we're going to try the white chiffon. Let's check out a couple images. So this actually looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this is about the same as that $4 fabric I picked up at Walmart. It has about the same contrast and colorness and the amount of light that it lets through the fabric. So I don't really see a difference between this and the $4 fabric at Walmart. I got 2 yards at Walmart for like $4, and then this right here is $5 a yard at Joann's Fabrics. I honestly don't see the difference at all. Just, you know, what it looks like hanging up. I can see clearer through the one from Walmart, the cheap fabric. But this is chiffon. Looks real good. It lets a lot of light through, guys. There's no doubt about it. It lets a lot of light shine right through the back. And I don't really see the distortion difference between any of these fabrics we've done so far and the shower curtain from the dollar store. I honestly don't see a difference, guys. So keep that in mind. It looks good. All right, let's go ahead and swap this one out. We'll do the white one and go from there. All right, guys, we're back. This is the last of the 4 fabrics that we picked up today. This is the white chiffon. Real clear, looks good, looks great. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Images are perfect, and just like anything else, it shines the light through. So I'm not really sure if it's going to be perfect for our outdoor project. But, you know, if you're doing window scenes or anything like that, this is definitely, it works fine, you know. There's no difference to me, to be totally honest, between this and the tablecloth, though. I'm sorry, I keep saying tablecloth. It's a gray shower curtain liner from the Dollar Tree. I honestly do not see a difference, guys. So, let me... Yeah, it looks perfect on both sides, guys. There's no doubt about it. But that's it, you know. I just wanted to give a quick rundown of what I'm going through, trying to figure out the fabrics and stuff like that. So this is the chiffon white. So that's the 4 fabrics that we picked up today. And I'm trying to figure out which one I'm going to use outside. But honestly, that dollar store is definitely the best bet, the best bang for your dollar. It looks exactly the same if you ask me. You know, you guys go out there, try it out yourselves, and let me know what you think, you know, how it worked out for you. But so that's it on this video, guys. I appreciate you guys stopping by to watch it. Hope everybody's staying safe. Hope to see you on the next video.